Welcome back to the Car's Master. Today we are reviewing the Chevrolet Impala. The 1959 Chevrolet Impala stands as one of the most iconic and recognizable American cars of its era, embodying the bold styling and innovation of late 1950s automotive design. With its unmistakable batwing-shaped tail fins, broad rear deck, and cat-eye tail lights, this model set a new standard for dramatic aesthetics in the full-size car market. The wide front grille, chrome accents, and sweeping side moldings added to its imposing presence, making it a favorite among collectors and classic car enthusiasts. Under the hood, the 1959 Impala came with a range of powerful engine options, from the standard 235 cubic inch Blue Flame inline-six to the more potent 283 cubic inch and 348 cubic inch V8 engines. The most powerful variant, the 348 V8 with triple two-barrel carburetors, produced up to 315 horsepower, delivering impressive performance for its time. Paired with a 3-speed manual, 4-speed manual, or Power Glide automatic transmission, the Impala offered a smooth and engaging driving experience, whether cruising down city streets or roaring down open highways. Inside, the cabin reflected Chevrolet's commitment to comfort and style. The spacious interior featured bench seats with luxurious upholstery, a futuristic dashboard layout, and an instrument panel that combined elegance with functionality. The wraparound windshield provided excellent visibility, while optional features like power windows, air conditioning, and a push-button radio enhanced the driving experience. Ride quality was a standout feature, thanks to Chevrolet's X-frame chassis and coil spring suspension, which provided a smooth and stable drive even on rough roads. The power-assisted steering and available power brakes made maneuvering this full-size classic surprisingly effortless for its size. The 1959 Chevrolet Impala wasn't just a car, it was a cultural statement. It symbolized the era of American excess, high performance, and groundbreaking design. Decades later, it remains a beloved classic, a dream car for collectors, and a testament to Chevrolet's golden age of automotive engineering. Whether displayed at car shows, restored to its former glory, or modified for lowrider culture, if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.